Hi, good evening. I got my Mercedes E250 Cabriolet. The camera setting here, the 360 camera, I'll just go through it. And as you notice, the front camera isn't working, so it's not showing the view, and that is the view. So I bought the new camera from eBay for $100. Let's see if that can solve the problem. Okay, so there we have it, the camera package, the right model number. So I just opened this just to show you. It's a bit hard to use one hand, but there we go. Brand new camera, looks new. We'll see. So it just down here, gonna get the new one replaced. It's very easy to do. So this is what we see when you open the bonnet. I have already dismantled that. So basically just a clip here, a clip on the right hand side, and then unscrew that. This whole thing will come off. Once this thing come off, we just need to take the grill out. So this is the grill, and there's only one screw that hold on to it, which is this screw here. Once you take that screw out, then the whole thing will just unclip. So let me do that. So now I have taken the screw out, and it basically unclip there, and then along here unclip there. So you can see the 3 clips that really hold on to it, and that is the screw that hold on to it. So now the whole thing dismantles, and then there's the camera, the radar still intact. So there's the plug, we'll just plug that in. To take the camera out, there is 2 screws, which is a star screw, and you need a star screwdriver to take these 2 screws out, and the whole thing will pop out, and I'll dismantle that. To unplug this connection, there is a button here that clips onto the hole, so make sure you press that to release it. And when you plug it back on, make sure those are clipping together, otherwise the connection isn't going to be correctly done. And now I unscrew the 2 top screw there. The whole camera comes apart like that, and that's the housing for it. So we'll just replace the new one and see what happens. So now I have the new camera right next to the original. Looks to be similar. Obviously this one didn't have a tag on it. This one has a tag on it on the original one, but this one don't have one. So the housing plug is the same. So let's put it back together and then see if that's all works well. So what I'll do is I'll just temporarily put it back together. I'll just do that, put it through there, and then I will connect. Let's see, there it is. A bit hard to work with one hand, but I'll hold in, so I'll connect. Can you hear the clicking noise? Now it's clicked. that's all in. I'll just put it back here temporarily, try to get the camera facing out. So now I've temporarily put it back, haven't made it click, but the camera is now in, so we'll see if it works. Okay, let's try it out. Just push the start button. Notice the bonnet is open. So we'll see. Just ignition on again. 360 camera. Now it works. There you go, it's working now. Fantastic. Obviously the door doesn't work because the door is open. When door is open, it doesn't work. So thank you. I'll put it back together now. Okay, so there's the one and the two screws that goes on, that holds the housing. So I just preset them in. So you can see, try to get some light here. So that's the housing there. In. There we go. Get the screwdriver, it's the star one. Takes it back in. Okay, now once the housing is in, make sure check it's not loose, and then make sure the wiring is put back on to the place. And there's one clip here. Goes back in there, push it back in, goes in there, here, and also that comes around, and there's a clip here that goes in here, so it goes back in there, and now, and this is overexpand. So now I just put the bolt back, and then I'll put the cover back on. Very simple. There's a hole there that goes into the hole there, the square hole. So just push that in. Push that in. So make sure the two clips that clips together, and then this air intake also clips back into place, otherwise the air intake is not fitted properly. And once that is in, then you can twist the knob. So press it, now it's clipped, it's all in. This side, make sure it's also popped in and clipped. Now that's in. Remove the old camera, and then this side, make sure that's all in, pressed in, and there's another clip here. This side already popped in, and now we've got to put the air intake back on. Very simple. Goes back in here. It's now clipped in. That's it. And make sure that clip is gone inside there, so you can see that's clicked in, and that's all fitted back properly. And there we have it, the new camera, and we'll go back to the car and test it again. Okay, now I'll start the engine. Now the bonnet's not closed properly. Now I've got the bonnet closed. There's the 360 camera. I'll click on it. There you see the full view of it. Return. I'll change it to 360. I can see the 360 there. Just nice and clear. Okay. Go back. And now taking it back, I'll press the reverse, put the car in reverse. Now you can see the reverse, the front and the back. So there we have it. Camera's fixed. So there you go, the camera's fixed. This is the original camera. I'll keep it as a souvenir. Mercedes-Benz want to charge me $1,100 to repair it. It cost me $98 from eBay. So thank you very much, eBay. Job done. And it's only a 5-year-old camera. I can't believe it's broken. If you like it, subscribe. If you want more videos, let me know and I'll try to make some. Thank you.